I am architect Sanil Chacko from Design Platform Architects. This is a 4,500 square feet house with 4 bedrooms. It's located nearby famous temples of Thrissur like Sri Vadakunathan Temple. The main idea behind the project was how to bring about this character, culture, tradition and adapting the form based on climatic analysis inspired from the temple. The exterior of the house exhibits only the natural color from that of the clay bricks, clay roof tiles and natural stones. The prominence of horizontal lines and clay bricks in the facade is brought into the compound wall and gate for continuity. The reflection of nature and water body is seen on the roof grill pattern, which is an abstract of the coconut leaf pattern. Coffee space of courtyard has natural chocolate sandstone on the walls and brown stones on the floor. A base piece of Kota blue stone stands in contrast in the form of coffee tabletop and has a cutout in the floor, giving a carpeted look to the coffee table. As elements of life, water, nature and land is connected to the bedroom. Architraves of the doors and windows highlights the natural clay bricks. Borderwork of Jaisalmer on the water body stands out in contrast to the black surface of water body and merges to the natural local available pebbles of the courtyard. In passage, the impressions made by the coconut leaf on the RCC ceiling welcomes the guest into the dining space. In the dining space, the impression of the jackfruit tree leaf on the RCC ceiling, which was colored by a local artist above the dining table, actually reminds us that the traditional leaf in kumpul form was used to drink rice porridge. As far as the puja space is concerned, in Hindu mythology, the banyan tree is believed to provide the fulfillment of wishes and provide material gains. Here, an abstract, the roof is embedded with banyan leaf pattern. The opening provided in the kitchen wall sort of doubles up as a communication cum food counter to the coffee table provided in the courtyard. This space is the most important core of the house, which gives life to other rooms. Therefore, this is an ideal space where guests, residents, and visitors circumambulate. Our effort was to bring in the colors from natural materials. We got yellow from Jaisalmer stone, red from the bricks, and the green from Kota stone. Also, these colors have a meaning in our tradition and culture. So, red indicates bravery, love, and strength. Green symbolizes nature. And yellow symbolizes happiness, peace, meditation, competence, and mental development.